So last time, Unity fucked up us. So that's why we are starting early today. Why we are starting early today? Because Unity fucked up. Unity said, no, I cannot handle this much violence. So we have to do what we do. Give up, I guess. So basically, what we are gonna do today is that mm, is to fix our game. Let's get started into it because the first part we are solving things. The everything's kind of cool, but we have to still make room. We still have to do our thingies, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about these barricadings. I have to apply them, or this will do better. I think this will do better. This is just a side effect, and I can just give it a 90-degree rotation. Put this placebo on this place, and it's wonderful, kind of wonderful. Sure. Great. Now I'm gonna have to do some things over here. So first of all, we are gonna do anything. We're gonna do it over here. We're gonna add some table, some stools over here. Not this one. Even not the stools, I say. I will say the chairs for the most. Mhm. And some kind of towel, I guess. Not some kind of towel. I would rather have some boot links, I guess. And then we're gonna place some cupboards over here. some kind of glass, I guess. And a wrench. I saw a wrench. We're gonna add a wrench. Some pots, I guess. Some flowers. Small pots. Here, I'm gonna add a fridge. Where's the fridge? It mine's empty. Yes. Gonna use some photos over here. I don't think we need that. And in the Brian house, we have a bed. It's a cool looking bed. We want a white bed. This is going to be a scary bed. A good bed. I have some plants over here, some plants over here, and then we're gonna have our TV over here. And two speakers over here and over here. Now we need some pillows over here, and over here. I have a poster up here. Give that scary feeling. And I think this is pretty good. Let me save this so Unity does not fuck up this time also. Because last time it's fuck up, it just gonna make me like, I'm gonna kill you, Unity. I'm really gonna do. No holding back on you, biatch. And about this one. So we can set the sanity to something like 80 or 20 or 10 even. And let's say for now it's value to be set sanity to 8. Just want to be there until the voice lines is disabled in the scene. For that, we need our voice lines, which are in these. And this is our show dialog lens, chatting one. So here we can chat basically. So what I want to do at the end of everything, I want to enable game object. So we're gonna create a public game object for this. Put F public game object name trick. Just trigger, you can say trigger. We're gonna use this trigger. And trigger dot game object dot set active will be true here, like this. So the trigger game object, but that we will decide will be true here. So after all the line are done, and we want that when this thing is on, No, we have this trigger game object. And for now, I'm just gonna disable this map. And in the sanity script, I want to change some other thing also. Like I have to make the script for light flickering when this happens. And we'll be adding a TMP text that will be also be activated when this will be activated. So let's say this get activated, so the player will see a text, this light will be flickering, and yeah, we want this to happen like that. So we will create another script for that. We'll call this, let's say, series trigger, you can say the chain reaction. Let me call it chain reaction. So now what is this chain reaction thing you will do? Let's go for ChatGPT first. So what will this thing you will do is simple. That it is a bit of a complex if you think, but it is very very simple and easy to understand. What we are doing, let's create a new chat. I'm using um okay, not this. I have a game object disabled in the scene. I want it to you can say do its stuff when it's enabled. Hmm. So player one step on it. I want the sanity decrease to 20. And when sanity, I was thinking to decrease the sanity in many reasons, I guess, but it is just too complicated for me to do it. Like I can make this, I can make the sanity goes down to 20, and this flickering thing, but then that's going to be a problem, I guess. Because how am I going to tell to do player to do something? To go there, I need that. I have trigger zones in my game which will lower the sanity of the player. But do I allure the player to go into those zones? Oh my God. Okay. Nice ideas, but I'm more open to them. I was thinking to do something good and great, and but now it is a little bit of complex, I think, because I'm gonna have to add a script for the chain reaction. I just want this game to be a banger, you know? And I'm thinking, how can I do that? Because I have the plans, I just need to implement it. How can we do that? I have the jump scares ready, I think. No, I just need an easy way to initiate all the jump scares. I have to go for the light flickering thingy. Player goes in boom jump scare, I guess. I have just two ways. Either I can implement those jump scare or I can make the game a little more interesting by adding a sanity factor next to it. Okay, here's the deal. So the bathroom jump scare that I had thought I have I have decided what I have to do with it. Um, First of all, player will get in the thingy, and then what will happen is that I think, yeah, light flickering. Then the light flickering will happen. After the light will flicker, the sanity goes down to a certain amount of thingy, and then we will play the jump scare. That is how I'm gonna have to do it. First of all, we need audio, and we need to create. So there is an game object in the scene. I want when a sound is made, when a sound is made, a light flickering script should get enabled. Another light flickering script get enabled. Sound Mm. Hmm. Nice one, I guess. Can you make? I think I have it, don't I? And can you make it? Okay, so we got the light flicker one. I don't think I have a light flicker one, do I? No, I don't have a light flicker. Yeah, candle flicker, I guess. Let's see. This lamp does not have it. This lamp has this light one. Am I right? Yeah. No. Let's see if it is flickering or not. Oh my damn goodness. Scares me every time. It is doing its thingy, but the problem is that we want complete darkness. I focused and we wanted what intensity does it have right now? Intensity is 600 right now. We want zero, like 600, making sure that is not too much lit. Oh damn, it's not being good. Okay, it is kind of good, but the problem with the game is like it is not going for full zero mode, so I'm just gonna remove the candle flicker and we're gonna add a new flick one. Wait. So it has greater light flicker. Yep, it has greater light flicker. Now we will just go ahead and give this light flick to it. And now the next thing we need is some bathroom lenses. Like what happens in the bathroom? Bathroom noises and a text that appear with it that says investigate the noise coming from the bathroom. Where is the uh, oh my goodness. Thank you, I guess. And a light flick will be added to it. Let's see. Minimum intensity should be 0. Let's check it out, I guess. This is giving me the chills, bro. My goodness, bro. This game is too scary for me. This game's too scary for me, guys. My own game is too scary for me. Okay. So, talking about the intensity, I like it. It's kind of low. And don't want it to be low. I want it to be this dark and like continuously flickering within a second. So I have to, I guess, change the flicker speed to. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. I think I will change it. Who knows? I think 100 will do. Time will be 1 second. And it looks perfectly nice, I guess. Anyways, moving to the next step of the test trigger. We want our test trigger. We have to add something else to this. Um, we will name it this test trigger should have this whole thingy. Now the next thing we want. What is the next thing we want? The next thing we want. The next thing we want. Okay, so we want this flicker to happen when this trigger is enabled in the scene, not just randomly happening stuff. So sanity meter, chain reaction. Yep, gotta add this one, this chunky boy. Add this component too. I think I have to remove this from here and listen to the AI what the hell he was talking about. So now this is our main script. So public flicker object. Uh, mm, mm, mm. It is going to get so much complicated. So, okay, let me think for a little while. Let me think. This is going to be so much complicated. Um, what should we do? Well, I have decided the cross-crawler jump scare over there. So that is what we're gonna do. How we will initiate it? We will decrease the sanity to like 20% or so, and then we will have the flicker thingy on. How I'm gonna do that? Oh, oh. Well, I just wanted when the game object initially disabled gets enabled, I have a flicker object and a text message to appear, and the flicker object is in the scene, so I want it to start flickering afterwards. So now using this, copy, and let's go in the Unity section first of all. We're gonna create an empty game object. We will name it, you can say trigger. Mm, what else can name this thing? What else you can name this thing? I'm gonna call it. Um, um, what the hell should I call it? Trigger. I'm very bad at picking names. I'm sorry. So we have this trigger. Now this trigger, not the trigger. I mean, it is our uh, objectives. Yes, I'm drunk a little bit. Sorry. Objective. We're gonna have go to the UI section, and we're gonna make a canvas out of here. And now let's go 2D. You can see this canvas right here, and we're gonna in this canvas we're gonna on UI and add a text mesh pro and go to the game. We're gonna make this like this, the game file, and this is going to be our objective. Objective investigate the sound from the bedroom. Add the chain reaction script to here. Open the chain reaction script and paste the thing that we just copied. 우연히 와 나한테 와僕の地図がそれではなんでこう私の空席わめきのがめしそれで Now we need a sound. Pixabay. Heard. Oh, this one's pretty good. Metal third. Okay, I will have it. Okay, what was it which I like? Uh, Thank you, Free Sound Community. I'm downloading this, but I'm not gonna use it in my game for right now. I have another things to try, like stuff falling. Yeah, it hear me. Oh, brain rot. No, this is royalty free, I guess. Okay, thank you, Free Sound Community, for having me this man falling tape. I'm gonna use it in my game. And this sound effect, Scottish person. Thank you. I'm gonna use it in my game. Thank you, Scottish person. He. Love you guys. And now let's go into the music. Basically, I love to people with this type of sound. It is so good for indie developer to comprehend and stuff. I don't want to be rude. I will give you credits in my game, so be patient. Everyone will get their chance. Everyone will get their chance. So this is the sound effect of falling, and this is the metal third. Oh, and this is the man falling. Okay. Sound effect falling down. Okay. Man falling. Creepy girl chanting. Horror background atmosphere. Knock on the door. Loose sound. Okay. Running. And then we will give it to the test trigger. And this is disabled. And this will how the game look. Let's check it out, guys. It has both the sanity script and stuff like that, so I question it if it is going to be good or not. It's written right now. I don't want it flicker right now. Oh, now it is going crazy. Again. Hey, where's my stuff written? Hey, where's my stuff written? The sounds played, but where my stuff written? The stuff written never come. Oh, yeah, I have disabled it in the object section. Okay, my bad. The problem is we can still see outside of it, which is a little bit interesting thingy. I am thinking that we will constrain the players' movement here. I don't want them to go back and can come inside like this. I don't want them to wander freely. and boom, jump scare. I want the prairie cropper crawl from here. Like you cannot see this place. Like this. Oh my god. Was I into this? Oh fuck. Anyways, I want him to crawl from here to here. Look at me standing over there and jumps on me. That is what I want. For that, we need some help, I guess. We need our that script. Give me that script. I have some improvement to do that on the script. I want type write writer effect on the message. Second, the flicker happens on start of the scene, which I don't want. Okay, so I will just disable it. Okay, no problem. So let's do the unity thingy. Lamp typing speed, writing speed, nice. And lamp 1, and we will just disable this light flicker. And boom, like this. And when 1.5 was enough, I guess. Then it will create an actual impact, I guess. Bunch of triggers will help me gain some success. It should not be flickering right now. Just as expected. It's creepy. Okay, this looks pretty fine so far. Let me save this after that. I have to save it every time. Oh my goodness, this actually feels vulnerable. Oh my goodness. What the fuck I'm making? What the fuck am I making? Dog. And this actually feels horrible. If someone jumps at me right now, it's game over for me. The first hallucination of the day. And we will remove the mesh so you don't see the actual block in the real life, like in the real time. But yeah, you are gonna get the feel of it. So now we will use our sanity numerical value. If it is to 80, we will decrease this, we will execute the hallucination one. And what do we need in the hallucination one? The cross crawler. So the cross crawler jump scare starts like this. A crawler will be spawned over here. A crazy naked ass crawler that will crawl up to here, like over here, look at the player, and then jumps on the player. And then just vanishes. Just gone. Oh, there's cross on it. This is what we want from the game right now. This is what we want. And when will it be spawned? That is going to be decided by me. I think after 5 seconds, the car will be spawned and players should be held in place. So it cannot move. I have to give player script. Let me save it first. Okay, let me have some water. I need to hydrate my brain because I'm thinking like way too much right now. Nice. Oh, I'm back. Back again. Back again. So now we need some animated fogged up objects from Sketchfab, of course. Or we can use Brixbo, I guess. We need downloadable animated monster, monster, monster. I think we should name it cross scroll, cross roll, garden crawler. Who are you, son? What are you, son? Does it comes with crawling animations? Oh my god, where is he? What the? Um, okay. I don't see your cross crawler, I guess. What? Something went wrong? How to fix it? How do I fix it, bro? Well, I'm compatible. I know that for sure. Chromium-based browser. I think Brave's Chromium-based browser. Oh, I don't have any GPU force, I guess. Well, how am I gonna know? Should I just get the things first and then start my project, I guess? Am I using too much RAM? How much RAM am I using? Emulation is like just too much RAM. 91% of the memory. Yeah, I can see that. And plus I'm streaming also, so yeah. Let's try using a different browser, I guess. If it's failing in this, it shouldn't be failing in this. Oh, same problem. Out of memory, yeah, we are getting out of the memory. This loader is taking too much memory, I guess. Yeah, well, I need to examine these thingies before we do anything, so I think I have to close the project for right now. Let's save all of this stuff. Make sure everything is safe. Even though Unity says it's safe, it is not safe. So you have to save multiple times before closing. So now let's shut down our project for once and let us do the creepy animation thingies because we are gonna need. I was thinking of this fear crawler wall animation monster. Let's see him. Now we have a lot of RAM guy. Yeah, now it plays pretty good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What else animation do you have? Only one? I want him to um um we can have it. It's not like it's bad, but I was want to see this one. This one, where is he? What animations do you have for him? Idle? Just idle? No, we need the crawl animation, of course, dude. What you thinking? Why is this crawler Kong? Okay, I can use this one. This is pretty fire. Pretty dope, I guess. But it is too pixelated. I think it is just too much pixelated. But imagine this thing jumping on you. But there is just crawl animations, no jumping animations, and I don't want to make this much hands of jumping. This type of monster that are animated. Alien monster. What this alien monster can do? Well, this looks like a demon to me. Oh, it's a doggo. It's a good doggo. I think it's a good doggo. Why they come with only one animations? This, this one's good. 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 I like how look at the booty. This one's good. Amateur action. You can just do amateur things. What is this? A booby? We need something that can crawl. What can this do? What has animations? What is this thing? Oh, snail monster, snail monster, tentacles, tentacles, tentacles. Ew. No, we cannot take any game ones. Isn't that just zombie, my guy? T-pose, scream. This one looks cool. I can use this in my game. I think I will just use that crawler. Oh, okay, I think I will take the crawler one. Someday. तेरे पहलू में रह लूं मैं खुद को पागल कह लूं हम दे खुशियां सह लूं साथियां ओ, तेरे पहलू में रह लूं खुद को पागल कह लूं गम दे खुशियां सह लूं रे साथियां. I think I will just use the crawler one. Everything else here sucks. So who is my guy creating this poses? Alex and Rain 777. Thank you for this model guy. Um and we I think we can see that it has potential though. I don't know how I'm gonna implement it. How the hell I'm gonna implement it? I don't know. I have no idea how I'm gonna implement it. It has potential though. It is going to be a complex system of scripts to implement it. So, is Prajoli open? So now we have our best trigger. So sanity section. I will just use it right now. Um, in this we want to uh, enable game object. Enable game object. After few seconds and freeze player movements for few seconds. Okay, so now in the 1080 script, we will just go ahead and just put it on here. Yeah, that is not gonna work. Use character controller to freeze the movement. Why the fuck do you think the player movement script is there? Fuck, fuck Unity. Fuck ChatGPT. Didn't I copy this one? What the actual fuck? I'm not. Am I blind? Am I going blind? Yeah. You can just use character controller, you know? Either than using the script, you can use character controller. Either than using a script, you can use character controller to disable movement. Yes, 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 yes. And hopefully it does not give us any error. Hopefully. तेरे पहलू में रख लूं मैं खुद को पागल कह लूं गम दे खुशियां सह लूं साथिया. Let it do its thingy. Hopefully no error should be projected. And yeah, there's no textures on it. Great. That's great. Very great. Let's see right Let me just save the whole thing from crashing. Yep, save the fucking whole thing. Yeah, no. It's gone, bro. It's so gone. I don't know how I'm gonna create it out of the thingies. Is the cube enabled? Well, the cube is enabled now. I think we can just go ahead and call it movements, I guess. I don't have the fucking name of the script. Okay. Just give me a script, different one, which I can put on player so it cannot move at all. It will be disabled at first, and when triggered, it will be open for some second and then again disabled. So now let's create this one. Super easy peasy. And I'm super tired right now. This is going to give me a headache. Here's the whole thing over here. Let's save it. Oh, maybe not. Hmm, what am I missing? I don't know. Am I missing something? What's movements? I'm so dumb. Sometimes I'm so dumb. Oh, I think it is going to be movements, I guess, then. And save it. Let's try it now. And now we have freeze movement, which I'm gonna go and give it to the player. Because the script class cannot be found, make sure that Sometimes it just hurt to use Unity. Sometimes it's just really hurt to use Unity. I just hate Unity sometimes. I'm just fucked up with this game, man. Fuck me. Fuck me. Just fuck me. Man, just do something, man. Just do something. Change the class. Do something. Oh my goodness, brother. First, it does not want to run properly for some reason. Second, I just don't want. It just don't love me like that. Third, getting everything together in a horror game is so fucked up according to your logic. Even though it is going to be a banger, it is going to be a horrible banger. Oh man, this is gonna take a while. I don't want to get frustrated on the AI because that means then it is not going to do my script. It was not a problem, never a problem. Now it is a problem. Wait. सौ तरह के रोग ले तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे तू कहने में हर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग ले तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे दूं कहने में हर्ज क्या है तू तरह के गले तो I don't know what the fuck is doing this because there's no fucking issues found. No name problem. The script name matches the name of the CS file. Now what? Reimport. Got it. The mouse. Look. तरह के रोग में तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे तू कहने में हर्ज क्या है तरह के रोग में तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे दो कहने में हर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग लिए तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे दो कहने में हर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग लिए तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है कहने में हर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग में तो इश्क का मर्ज क्या है भाई सर फोड़ दो अपना What the fuck do you mean सब तो कर दिया First of all Fuck you, Unity. Fuck you to death. Fuck everything in this world, man. A simple freeze player script cannot be added to this motherfucker. I'm just adding it for the cosmetic stuff, man. Fuck it. Oh man, fuck it. Man, my head is going to blow out, man. Why? What the fuck is your fucking problem, dude? What the fuck is your problem, dude? Oh my fucking god, brother. Let's call it today. Save the whole thing and let's call it today. I cannot handle it anymore. Now the clicks don't work. Right. No progress is being made right now, which is super good. Fuck you, Unity.